Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Don in Arizona. Don, we got this Cobra 29 LTD Chrome working like a beast. This is going to work out just fine with your little amplifier you're going to be running. That's how we set it up. Also did wideband transmit and receive mods as well as electrolytic capacitor upgrades. We set the carrier so it'll work out good for you here. So let's start with it. I'm going to start with the 25 watt slug here. That's 2 watts right there. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 9 watts. Go over here to the 50 watt slug and PEP. Hello. 40 watts PEP. All right, Don, it's ready to come out there to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckrise tuned today. Truckrise. Get wise and get Truckrise today.